and welcome to Three Blind Mice Window Coverings. Today I'd like to show you one of the improvements of one of the products that we're really excited about, and that is the Louvolite Perfect Fit Cell Shade System. So this product's been out for a few years now, but now they've gone to the next step and made it a lot more accommodating to more window sizes. So when we first came out with this product, it was an inside mount product. It was designed to fit on the European style windows, and it was a nice system because it kept everything housed in a nice track system. It was very easy to use. It's always cord-free lift, and the cords are always hidden, so it has a real clean look. But what they've done now is they've gone ahead and they've enlarged the side tracks, which allows you to use it on a lot more windows, so you have a lot more versatility with it. They've also made it so that we can go much wider and cover larger windows. And with this T-split base that they have here, the T-frame that we've included with this now you can go and do 2 or 3 on ones to cover the real large windows and be able to operate them independently, so you can have one up, one down. Some of the big features and benefits that you get from this type of a system is that it really increases your privacy because it gets rid of all the gaps on the sides, which also helps for energy efficiency and room darkening. So if you choose a room darkening fabric, it really helps out because it gets rid of that bright glare between the individual pieces of fabric, and it houses it all the way around. So it gives it a real clean look no matter how you're mounting the surface. So what we have here is the inside mount version of the Louvolite Perfect Fit Cell Shade. So here, as you can see, we have that same nice clean profile, except it's very low profile because it recesses partially inside the windowsill. And what this does is it allows you to operate this with a cord-free lift system. And again, all the cords are hidden off to the side, so we have a nice open view to this. With this other option that you can also have the ability to go top down, bottom up, meaning that you can stack this in either direction. And the great thing about the Louvolite Perfect Fit system is that it does not require screws to mount this. This all has little safety clips that go on the side that holds it in place. So it's a real nice feature. And again, this is the inside mount and the outside mount that you just saw. Great options available with the Louvolite Perfect Fit system. If you'd like more information about this product or any of our great products, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-828-2003, or you can find us online at 3blindmiceusa.com.